relationship. Hello guys, welcome back to Operation Reconciliation. My name is Jasmine and this is Prince. And today we're going to be talking about our intercultural relationship as a African American and Ghanaian. So let's get started.
I'm gonna go into the video. I'm gonna go into the question. All right. How did y'all meet?
So actually, you start this because
Okay. So we actually met on Instagram, and I was the one who followed her on Instagram, and I followed her for some time ago. And one day I was just there, and I just got into a DM, and I texted her hi, and she responded, and everything started from there. Yeah.
So on my side, I didn't know he DM'd me till I believe a day or two later, and then once I saw it, I checked out his profile and I was like, okay, he's cute or whatever. So I responded back to him, and yeah.
I'm trying to give some. All right. Did y'all have suspicions meeting online?
So, yes, I did have suspicions about meeting him online because, well, first, on my side, I've heard a lot of things about, foreigners trying to get with Americans to get a green card, but I mean, in some cases that is true, but not all of them are trying to get a green card to come to America. Some of them are actually trying to look for love. So,
yeah, on my side, I had some few suspicions, because she's from a different background. I'm also from a different background, so I was a little bit suspicious about how we can make things together, how we can see each other and all that. And at first, it sounded impossible to me because we are far away from each other. And meeting each other is not that easy. Like, it's kind of a little bit expensive. So I was a little bit suspicious about that.
I'm gonna go ahead and ask Prince first. What were your thoughts about pursuing a relationship with a person from America?
Oh, to me, I didn't have a bad thought about it. My thought was pure, clean, and good because I believe you can find love wherever you are. You can find love in any part of the world. So I had faith in it, and I believed in it. And even though we didn't meet for the first time, we're still having an online course and all that, but I still had faith in it. Yeah.
Okay, and same thing for Jazz. What were your thoughts about pursuing a relationship with a person from Ghana?
I thought it was going to be difficult because of the distance, not because of his culture. Because I mean, yes, we are different. I know I came from America, he's from Ghana, but in some ways we're the same. So, but yeah, I thought it was going to be difficult because of the long distance, thousands of miles away from each other. I honestly, I didn't think it was going to work out for that long, but I felt God, tell me that this was the man for me, so I just went full head into it. So,
what made y'all continue the relationship knowing that there were going to be so many obstacles?
God, definitely, because I really feel like I really know that God put him in my life for a reason. So just keeping that in mind really helps out with keeping our relationship tight.
How long was it before y'all met each other for the first time in person?
I think a year.
I believe it was a year. Yeah, year. So before we met each other, we were doing calls.
It was just audio.
Yeah, just phone calls. I think we did do some.
We started with audio.
We did do some FaceTiming.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did do some FaceTiming too. So yeah.
What would y'all say to people pursuing a relationship like y'all's?
On my side, what I would say is they shouldn't give up. They should follow their heart. They should have faith. They should believe in God. With God, all things are possible. Yeah.
And for my side, I say, if you're trying to look for love in a different country, continent, I would definitely say, I would say keep God first in it. Pray about it. Pray if this is, the person for you, because if it is, then the relationship is going to work out, through the ups and downs. So that's my advice for anybody who is trying to pursue a relationship outside of their country or period, period. So that goes for relationship inside your country and outside. So.
Well, those are the last of the questions. Thank y'all for answering them and being truthful and honest. Okay, so then you're gonna come on, and then just follow me. Yes. Behind? Okay. Yeah, just walk like. No, go that way. You walk that way.
I just walk backwards. You shoot, just walk backwards. Yeah, okay. There you go.
That's cute. It's cute. It actually does look good, especially with the background. Alright. Now turn. Turn around. This way, towards me. Towards me. And just walk forward now.
Stand by you, to be by your side, in good times and in bad times. I believe in
I was not expecting this. What in the world?
Can we hold this? Dad, can you hold this?
Top of it. Look to the top, not a heart.
Alright, this is the video, but I'm gonna take some pictures too.